So today what I'm going to do is replace the screws on our wiper arms because these ones are crappy and rusting. Some of you may have trouble finding wipers for these vehicles because you need a special wiper that has the 2 holes for the screws, because this wiper arm is tapped. What we did was we found these adapters that fit most wipers with the standard hook. The problem is these screws I find are really crappy and are rusting, and I kind of want to replace them with stainless so they'll last longer. I've been trying to find the right pitch that goes into these wiper arms, but I can't find them anywhere. This is a 6x32, which is the closest I could find to this, and a nut for the back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bore out just one size a little bigger than what the width is of these stainless screws. So you take your Phillips head screwdriver and hopefully I can back them off and they're not rust welded. Pop the other one off. Here's the wiper adapter that we purchased off of Amazon, and they've worked fairly well. No issues so far. They're pretty cheap. They're like 12 bucks. And there's the other adapter. So now what I'm going to do is take one of my stainless screws, and then I'm going to find a drill bit that is slightly larger than this guy. So that guy is no good. Let's try 2 more. This guy here is slightly larger. So I'm going to try and bore out the holes on the wiper arms with this, and then see if we can slide this guy through. And she slides right in there. Perfect. Put the wiper adapter back on. Put my bolts through. And I want them fairly snug. Enough so that it won't move. And then what I can do is take my wiper, slide her back in there. And now she's good for business. So now we can have just regular wipers with the hook adapter, and they shouldn't rust. They look pretty sweet.